Imagine waking up tomorrow with no immune system. A tiny cut would become life-threatening. A common cold could kill you. Right now, a silent war is raging inside your body. You never hear it. You never see it. But billions of microscopic soldiers are fighting every second. Most of them will die before the day ends, and you'll never know their names. The average human body contains around 37 trillion cells, yet millions of those cells are constantly under attack. Bacteria land on your skin. Viruses enter the air you breathe. Fungi wait for the perfect opportunity. According to immunologist Charles Janeway, your immune system must instantly decide whether something is friend or enemy. One wrong decision can be deadly. So how does your body know the difference? The answer begins long before you were born. Even inside the womb, your immune system starts learning. Your first defenders are already forming. They are not intelligent, they are fast. The first line of defense is your skin. It looks ordinary, but it forms a powerful wall against countless invaders. Your tears contain enzymes that break apart bacteria. Your saliva destroys harmful microbes. Your stomach fills with acid powerful enough to dissolve many dangerous organisms. Before an infection even begins, your body has already built several barriers. But some enemies always get through. When that happens, the alarm sounds. Damaged cells release chemical distress signals. Nearby blood vessels widen. More blood rushes to the area. That's why an infected cut turns red and warm. The swelling is not the disease. It's your defense arriving. The first responders are called neutrophils. They race through your bloodstream like emergency vehicles. Within minutes, they surround invading bacteria. Then they swallow them whole. Many neutrophils die during the battle. The white fluid we call pus is largely made from dead immune cells and destroyed microbes. The battlefield leaves evidence behind, but the fight is only beginning. Soon, macrophages arrive. Their name literally means big eater. They consume bacteria. They remove damaged cells. Then they do something remarkable. They collect tiny pieces of the invader. Those pieces become warning posters for the rest of the immune system. Now, the message spreads. An enemy has been identified. Special cells called T cells begin searching for infected body cells. Unlike neutrophils, they don't attack bacteria directly. Instead, they inspect your own cells one by one. If a cell is infected by a virus, the T cell orders it to self-destruct. It sounds cruel. But sacrificing one infected cell can save millions. Another group, called B cells, prepares a different weapon: antibodies. Each antibody is shaped to fit one specific target, like a key fitting only one lock. Once attached, antibodies mark invaders for destruction or stop viruses from entering healthy cells. This system is incredibly precise. Research led by Susumu Tonegawa revealed how your body can create millions of different antibody combinations, enough to recognize diseases you've never encountered before. But the most incredible part comes after the battle. Not every immune cell dies. Some become memory cells. Years later, if the same virus returns, these memory cells respond almost instantly. This is why many illnesses only infect you once. It is also how vaccines work. Vaccines safely introduce part of a virus or bacterium. Your immune system practices without facing the real danger. Then it remembers. The next battle becomes much shorter. But what happens when this remarkable system makes a mistake? Sometimes it attacks harmless pollen. That becomes an allergy. Sometimes it attacks your own body. That becomes an autoimmune disease. The same system that protects you can accidentally become your greatest threat. Scientists continue studying why these mistakes happen. Many answers remain unknown. Every breath you take brings new microbes into your body. Every meal introduces unfamiliar organisms. Every handshake transfers invisible passengers. Yet most of the time, you never become seriously ill. Not because the world is safe, but because your immune system rarely stops fighting. Tonight, while you sleep, billions of cells will patrol your body. Some will discover hidden infections. Others will die protecting tissues you'll never think about. They ask for nothing. They expect no reward. The greatest war you will ever survive is the one you never notice.